Have you ever struggled with making scrambled eggs? Many people find it tricky. Today, I'll show you the easy way. By the end, you'll make fluffy, delicious scrambled eggs like a pro. First, gather your ingredients: eggs, butter, salt, and pepper. Use 2-3 eggs per serving. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Whisk them gently until mixed. Next, heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Add a tablespoon of butter. Let it melt, coating the pan lightly. Now, pour the eggs into the pan. Allow them to sit for a few seconds without stirring. This helps create soft curds. As the edges start to set, gently stir the eggs. Use a spatula to push the eggs from the edges toward the center. Continue this for a couple of minutes. Once the eggs are mostly cooked but slightly runny, remove them from heat. The residual heat will finish cooking them. Add salt and pepper to taste. Serve immediately for best results. Today, you learned a simple way to make scrambled eggs. Remember, the key is low heat and gentle stirring. Now it's your turn to try making them. Enjoy your perfect scrambled eggs.